Hey, I'm Jen. I'm a medical esthetician for like 20 years, and I like sharing information with my clients of products that I've been trying, that I like, that I think work. But I talked in another video about a quick hack, like if you are going out, you're at work all day, or you're running around and then you want to go out for drinks with your friends or go out with your husband or whatever, and you don't have time to like wash off all your makeup and redo it. I discovered this like years ago, and it's like, it seems to always work. So I like to I have this one that I sell here. It's like a hyaluronic cream that I like to just throw in my purse if I'm feeling like dry anywhere, even like on the neck. I had done a video about like making sure you keep your neck super hydrated and reapply throughout the day. So carrying something like this, I like. But anyway, for the under eye, so you have like no time, so you want to take like some type of hyaluronic or some type of cream that's like a little plumping, because you know throughout the day your eye feels like it's going to be, it gets dried out as you get older, right? Like you get more crepiness. So you want to apply the cream right there. No, I put too much on my hands, so we're gonna reapply on the neck. So the more hydrated your neck is, the better it's just going to look, okay? So as you get older, the skin is like thin and more sensitive, but it definitely gets crepier, and then the crepier it looks, like it just looks crappy. So you're gonna put the eye cream just like where you have your little lines and dryness that's coming through. So I talked in my under eye concealer video about how I did this with the Physicians Formula Nude Glow. It's like, you know, the applicator, and has like a little bow on it, but I think they're discontinuing that, and it's hard to find, though you can find it on like online in different places if you Google it. So I also I keep this one in my purse, the e.l.f. It's like a highlighter and under eye concealer. So you want to use like a really lightweight concealer for something like this, nothing like heavy, because you already have your makeup on from the day. So you're hydrating it, and it already like you know, gives like a plumping effect. And then just like a couple dots here and here. Okay, and then you can use like a brush, any brush, and like dot it in and blend it across really lightly. See, it just gives like a little something, so you don't feel like your under eye is all like crepey and gross. And you can bring it up in here. And that's it. And then if you want to just like apply a little blush and go. And I don't even set it either. I find it just applying it this way just is like light, and it just sinks right in and really hydrates and plumps the eye. So there you go. Hope that helps.